Redman releases visuals for Brother Like Me, which contains some serious reggae vibes.
Check it out, Redman, star 5, 22 on a car tie. Ring bells like Mel's Diner, I'm sharp hair, made a bar wide. Kim Dog.
The track can be found on Redman's Mudface album, which is out now.
I got connects like SIM cards. I know hip-hop is part of my life. I love it like it's my wife. My credit card that I swipe, true religions, all of my nights.
New video for Old Dirty Bastard's unreleased track, Obey Me. Yes, I said it, ODB.
Yo, beating up bounce of people I'ma start doing. To get up on stage and control your hoes while you're hoeing. Don't get in line, I'm a celebrity.
Obey Me is an unreleased track from 1994 produced by RZA. The fitting visuals stars ODB's son, Old Dirty Bastard Jr.
200-pound wristband on. I'm healthy and I'm strong. Fuck it, your bitches are hypnotized. Take it on your pussy and ride. I only do it to the bitches, my fans. And if you like it, we'll do it again and again.
Yes, we've got some more heat from the Triple Darkness Collective entitled A Cup of Spiders.
One thing for sure, them boys is foul and they still scheming. On the corner, titted off in the Beamer, looking hotter than Fukushima. Tonight, man, them got the swine fever, really acting like shit.
The song is taken from the Darker Than Black album and features Crown Nectar, Cyrus Malachi, Vendetta and Black Prophet.
Reach for the chrome diagnostics that he has. Sweat boxes where the club was packed. Brand new Jags, brains wet from a dirty slag.
Shante, bitch.
Go on, line it up, son, eat it! The legendary D.I.T.C gives us a little insight into their new album, Ambrosia.
Ladies and gentlemen, dames and dudes, put the flame to the fuse and let's blow. Baby girl, do it.
The track playing in the background is titled Blow.
She close her eyes when she blow.
Thank God for playlists.
Yeah.
Thank God for playlists on Pro Tools now, because now you could actually save it, right?
Yeah.
And then you could like come, and then you could do another take, but then if you don't like that take, you could always go back to the first.
Jack Diggs provides us with this hit. This is an instrumental snippet off of the Blue Rain album. Madchild finally replies to Snap's diss track with Fatal Attraction.
35 years old, you are not young. Second blast from this double-barrel shotgun. I got 5 years on you, not a long road. Now this Muppet Gonzo has turned this to a gong show. A million rappers older than me and they ain't retired yet. Think you're spitting flames, I'm a fucking fire hydrant. I'm vibrant, a werewolf and a vampire, a hybrid. Your diss is just regurgitating everything that I've said.
Click the link to subscribe. Catch us every Friday morning at 10:30 GMT, where you'll get the latest in hip-hop news. I'm Shante, and you've been watching Itch FM's Weekly Wind-Up.